2023 Slingshot. Customer would like to upgrade the audio system. We are doing a radio. This is the radio he had. We're putting a Pioneer wireless Carplay Android Auto. We are also upgrading the speakers for Alpine Type R. Mid bass goes here. That goes here. And we also had somebody put in speakers down here. So we put a PRV 6.5 inch speakers. I don't know why, but they made that side down below, further down than this side. So we're going to use the same mold rather than cutting another one. We also got a kit for the headrest that replaces this part here, same side. So I'll put all these kits we are using in the description so you guys can get it. So we are putting an Alpine Type R component speakers. We're going to mount the speaker tweeter on this corner and the mid bass where it's supposed to go. Now, trouble we ran into, original plan was to put a Alpine Type R. We found out the Alpine Type R is too deep. The magnet is going to hit, and we couldn't put that grill back on, factory grill back on. So we came up with better solution. So I got this JBL component speakers. This is a slimmer magnet than the Alpine Type R. Handles about the same power, which is a 95 RMS. The Alpine Type R is 100. Not that much different, but we were able to use the factory grill rather than using an aftermarket grill. This is the speaker we took out from here. As you can see, it has the cutout for speakers. All the new speakers we tried, it doesn't fit right. So you cannot use the factory grill on it. So what we are doing is, we are shaving the bottom of the factory. And we're gonna mount it from this way. Normally we would mount it from top down, but in this case we couldn't use the grill. I don't want to have a different grill on factory side because it's a special cutout. As you can see, it's like a special shape on it. So rather than putting ugly grill on it, just put this one on the bottom side like this, then put the factory grill back on. And you also have to shave a little bit on the bottom of the back piece, because there's some of these pieces also hitting the speaker. We are putting 2 amps. One's a 4-channel. The actually mono block goes here for the bass. I'll put the listing for this one. This is a DS18 special box made for Slingshot. And we are putting, on the other side, we are putting a 4-channel amp. These are Alpine amplifier. This is going to be a 1200 watt mono block amp with a Type R speakers. And the 4-channel amp goes down there. So this radio kit comes with a bolt and nut, as you can see here. It goes through the hole. And behind, it has a nut. So you just tighten it. They give you 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And it makes it look like that. So this radio kit comes with a bolt and nut, as you can see here. It goes through the hole. And behind, it has a nut. So you just tighten it. They give you 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and it makes it look